Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at Stafford Audi. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Audi A4 Black Edition. This vehicle features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 163 PS. The vehicle also comes with a smooth S-tronic automatic transmission. This example comes finished in the ever popular Mythos black metallic paint colour. Across the front of the vehicle we'll find a set of LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights. The vehicle sits on a set of 19-inch alloy wheels which come in a 5-spoke design. Moving towards the rear of the vehicle, we'll find some privacy glass on the rear windscreen as well as a small lip spoiler which adds some definition. Helping you park and manoeuvre, there's a rear camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up the boot lid reveals a very large amount of storage space in the back of the vehicle, perfect for a variety of different things. The rear passenger seat consists of 3 total seats with a folding armrest in the middle, and up front for the driver and front passenger will have some more of the Dynamica and leather combination upholstery. In the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia entertainment system. This includes inbuilt navigation. Just beneath the touchscreen we'll find some of the climate controls, as well as in the centre console we'll have a leather armrest. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel, as well as an Audi digital cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Audi A4 Black Edition. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.